Hello, this is Sam with Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Ranchillo Rocky grinder. And the main thing to keep in mind when adjusting grinders is to always make sure the grinder is running whenever you're adjusting it. This is the main reason why grinders seize up, and we had to break this one free from being stuck. But yeah, the main reason why the grinder gets stuck is that you're not grinding the coffee while you're adjusting it. So when you press this and turn, I can't do it right now because I have the iPad in my other hand, but then you just need to make sure that you're running the grinder. And in this case, it's kind of hard to do with this machine, so you might need a third person unless you're really good with your hands. So you kind of have to kind of reach up here and kind of, be ready to turn while holding this down, and then with the other hand pressing the button. But that's how you do it. And thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos below. Thank you.